Finishing a basement is a great way to add living space economically. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about getting started the right way right after this. Is keeping out the cold on your to-do list? With Duck brand weatherization products, you can quickly and easily make your home more comfortable and efficient, saving you energy dollars along the way. Duck brand's affordable product line includes a roll-on window kit that comes in different sizes and strengths, including standard and max strength. These kits create a weather-tight seal with no hassle and no measuring. That's my kind of DIY project. To learn more and find a retailer near you, visit duckbrand.com. Lots of homeowners dream of using that extra space in the basement for a game room, a home theater, or entertaining space, but it's important to correct any moisture issues first. In other words, stop the leaks before you make improvements. You can tell if moisture is coming into a basement by taping a piece of clear plastic to the wall or floor and watching it for a few days. If you see condensation develop inside the plastic, you've got a moisture intrusion. Even if there isn't a big problem, it's a good idea to seal those masonry walls and floor with a waterproofing paint. Before you apply the coating, the surfaces should be dry and clean. If there's any chalkiness on the surface from past leaks, it should be scrubbed off with a wire brush so the paint will have the best chance to stick. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.